Hi guys, welcome back to another form filling video. As you all know, Talani Maritime Institute ने अपने form release कर दिए हैं for DNS 2025 batch, and in today's video we'll see how you have to fill that form step by step so you don't make any kind of mistake. Let's start with it. First of all, you have to go on your browser and type Talani Maritime. जो फर्स्ट साइट मिलेगी आपको उसमें यहीं पे ऑप्शन होगा DNS IOME प्रोग्राम. You have to click on that and इसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी मिल जाएगी, so you don't have to worry about anything. And this is the app, we could say, interface. And after that यहाँ पे एक option है, hey I'm near your admission assistance. You have to just click on it and it will ask for your email ID, and if you have registered before then you can just type in the same ID and it will send a OTP on your email from where you can log in. And if you don't have any account earlier before, so you can just make one right now. We click on enter and then it will ask for an OTP. We go on our Gmail. Here we have Talani Maritime Institute and we paste it here. After you click on verify, there would be an option of like start application. You just click on this and here would be your dashboard. Here is where you have to fill the form. So I've already initiated the form, and if you might not have initiated, so there would be an option here, diploma in nautical science, and there would be an option of apply now. So you click on that and your interface will open up of the application form. So first of all you have to type your preference जो अपने आप से होके आ रही होगी, and then you have to type in your title. First name again अपने आप से होके आ रखा होगा, and same for the last name. If you have a middle name you can just type it in here, otherwise it's not mandatory. And again your name as per 12th mark sheet. After that your mobile number, your WhatsApp number ये आपको अपने आप से टाइप करना होगा. Then your date of birth, email address अपने आप से होके आ रखा होगा again, your gender, blood group, your height and your weight, then your place of birth. Then after that you have to select the state of birth, which again depends on you. Then your Aadhaar card number. Well, the Aadhaar card is not mandatory, so if you don't want to fill it you can just skip it, but we'll just fill it for now. After that your nationality, Indian, your religion, your category and age अपने आप से होके आ रखी होगी again. And this is the age जो आपकी होगी at the time of joining the institute, so don't panic about it. And after that you have to select if you have a passport or not. If you select yes, then you have to share the details. If you click on not applied, then it's not a problem. You can just skip it for right now and click on next. After that your address, again country, state, district, city, and then your main address, your pin code. And if this is your permanent address, then you can just click on yes and then click on next. After that you have to fill your family details, your father name. So first of all your father's title, then his name, his number, father's WhatsApp number, email address. आप अपना email address यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो, it's not a big problem. And then your father's occupation, father's Aadhaar card, well it's not mandatory again, so you can just skip it. And your father's annual income. Then your mother's detail, first of all title, then mother's name, then mother's mobile number, WhatsApp number, then mother's occupation and mother's Aadhaar card, which is not mandatory. Then mother's annual income, mother tongue. Okay, after that you have to fill your mother's date of birth and your local guardian details. If you have, then you can click on yes and fill the details. If not, then just click on no. And your parents, this is the detail for students insurance. You can just type in your father's name again, date of birth of parent, and relationship with your candidate. It means you can just type your like whatever relation you have for the guardian, you have put the name here. Then click on next. After that here is the educational records. First of all your 10th details, so we go in with your school name, your board year of passing, registration number. If you have a registration number, then you can just type it in here. Okay, you type your registration number here, जो कि आपको अपनी मार्क शीट के ऊपर दिख जाएगा. And after that marking scheme, then maximum marks, total subject के जितने marks maximum होते हैं मिला के. So for example if you have 6 subjects, you type it in 600 here, and the total obtained marks which you got out of 600. So आपकी जो obtained percentage हो अपने आप calculate हो गया यहाँ पे आ जाएगी. And for your English, again you have a different section here, so you type the maximum marks, for example 100, एंड देन द मार्क्स विच यू ऑब्टेन्ड, परसेंटेज अपने आप से कैलकुलेट होके आ जाएगी. फिर योर आफ्टर दैट फॉर योर 12th रिजल्ट यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट, लाइक इफ यू आर राइट नाउ इन 12th and giving you exams, you can just click on await it. But if you have already gotten your result, then you can just click on declared. And there's an option for improvement students as well. So if you're an improvement student, just click on appearing for improvement. And after that, your school name, then your board, year of passing, your registration number, marking scheme, maximum marks again 600, and your obtained percentage. After that, your subject wise details. First for your maximum marks in physics, then the marks you obtained, same for chemistry and same for mathematics. And then after that, your total PCM percentage would also be appearing here, so you can just check it once. Then your English maximum marks and the marks you obtained. After that, here is 12th school details again. You just click on first of all the country, the state, the district, and your school city. Then your school pin code. Okay, so the location where it is, you have to just type the pin code of that location. Your school contact number, mobile number आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो of your school, so it's not a big issue. Then your school email address, IMCT application number अगर है आपके पास then it's okay, otherwise it's not mandatory right now. Then NC certificate, if you have any you can just select A, B, C, whatever you have, otherwise just click on no. And your DigiLocker account, if you have an account you can just click on yes, and I would suggest you that if you don't have then make once, because it is very helpful in your further application form and whatever. So you can just click on yes or no. So at last we have any additional details. Yeah, so if you have any sports and extracurricular activities, certificate and participation, so you can just click on like month, year, sports activity, whatever you did, and level of participation and all that. It again depends on you. Okay, so there are some further questions here, like how do you intend spending your time after your class 12th final exams. तो 12th के बाद आपने जो टाइम आपको मिला उसमें आपने क्या क्या करा, you can just type it here. And why do you wish to join TMI, again you can just type in some few lines here. After that, what are your hobbies, strength, weaknesses, and your weaknesses. And then how would you meet the expenses of your college fees and all. Then you can just select whatever you like, and where you get the information about TMI. You can just click on advertisement and then click on next. Okay, so now we have here the uploading of your documents. First of all, your 10th mark sheet, your 12th mark sheet, and your photograph. Okay, so these were the 3 documents which are mandatory, and other than that your Aadhaar card and your TC, it all depends on you. अगर आपको डालना है तो डाल सकते हो. And then you click on next. So here is the declaration form. You can just check your name, father's name, and here, and you have to type in your place from where you are filling the form. If you want to check that if all the details were successfully correctly filled, you can just click on preview here, and it will show you your application form. Once you've checked everything, you can just click on continue, and here is the payment section. You click on make payment, and the payment portal, it will open before you. Okay, so this is the payment portal. You can pay by anything, whatever you like. Okay, so that was all about the Tolani Maritime Institute DNS form 2025. I hope you liked the video, and thank you for today.